The $77 support level for Nexo sort of is major areas of strength for Truly. Most certainly really is genuinely huge. Nexo's exchanges closed $72, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every practical sense is floating at $43 of 22,880 as in a huge way. Nexo down roughly 33% inside the very genuinely most recent 24 hours in a very kind of huge manner in a significant manner. So 5 April 2024. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually basically. Clarified pressing issues facts. What especially is somewhat genuinely momentary cost expectation for Nexo. Generally especially as Nexo is sort of genuinely wise venture, which for the most part is very huge. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet, prior to jumping decently genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, market examination over the last 24 hours, thereby and large in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to 492, 603, 616, 514 in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally really complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $105, 179, 779.26 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum actually really has a strength of 16.33%, which by and large truly is very huge, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 level after a decay of 59%, which generally is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 3.18% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Nexo down roughly 33% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in an essentially huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span in a truly significant manner. Sol, the very local coin of Solana really is somewhere near $857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, which generally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in Esteem, showing how 5 April 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some things facts. What essentially is in every practical sense, truly transient cost expectation for Nexo. Truly is Nexo an especially wise venture, which explicitly is very critical, or so they truly thought. These occasions by and large show that the market truly is going in an in every practical sense, descending course for present moment, or so they especially thought. Right. Now, a truly broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which essentially by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So Nexo down roughly 3% inside the fundamentally absolute most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. Support basically in a real sense is a level at which purchases sort of become commonly more dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing that help really is a level at which purchases truly become most certainly more fundamentally dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coins cost from falling any further, which basically is very huge. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers in a real sense move really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is very huge. Following quite other help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The kind of especially current Nexo cost generally certainly is 0.72, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 as in the especially kind of beyond 24 hours in a reasonably by and large significant manner in a huge manner. Presently, Nexo in every practical sense, for the most part is somewhere near 33% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 as USD, which certainly by and large shows that right now, Nexo by and large is somewhere around 3% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 as USD, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for 05 April 2024 inside a decently everyday time period generally really made sense of beneath, showing how Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, basically explicitly is somewhere near 857 and presently exchanging at $172.88, which most certainly in every practical sense is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely lovely straightforward, moving decently exceptionally normal SMA and remarkable moving sort of normal MA to explicitly examine the future development of the Nexo, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to 492, 603, 616, 514, which truly is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo basically has sort of essentially break all its generally upholds levels and things especially are not looking very really great for the crypto market, which for the most part shows that Nexo's exchanges closed upon 72 in a very lovely significant manner As of now, certainly bears sort of for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Nexo cost beneath the vital help level of $182. So the kind of complete exchanging volume entirely remains at $105, 179, 770s, 926 in a sort of in every practical sense, significant way in a significant way. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and explicitly is attempting to generally break out of the lack of bias zone. So RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 44 and most certainly in every way that really matters is attempting to break out of the non-partisanship zone in a genuinely huge manner. While Nexo's Williams % R pointer sort of in every practical sense is at 52.1869 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a non-partisan condition. Exchange essentially signal in every way that really matters, fundamentally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, so market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $2, 492, 603, 616, 514, or so they sort of thought. The MACD line essentially in a real sense is remaining above of the sort of truly signal line after a fundamentally truly sure hybrid. So the MACD line actually in a real sense is remaining above of the all things considered signal line after an in every practical sense positive hybrid in an exceptionally significant way. Nexo financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally in every practical sense day-to-day growth.